Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Learn with Lakshay Tanwar. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos, and feel free to drop your doubts regarding maths and science in the comment box from classes 6 to 9. So in the previous videos, we were discussing the introductory videos of chapter 1 class 9 maths, which is number systems. If you have not read the first two videos, they are a must see. So go back to my channel and see those videos as well. And subscribe for getting more such videos. So this is part 3, and in this video, we will be talking about only one topic, which is representation of root 3.5 centimeter on a number line. In your exercises and all, you will be coming across many different digits like root 9.6, root 1.2 and so on for representation. But right now, following your NCERT's example given, we will be talking about the example from there itself, which is representation of root 3.5 centimeter on a number line. Alright, let us start without any further ado. So today's video is going to be a little long because I'm only explaining one topic in the whole video, and that is because it's an important topic. So you need to understand this topic very thoroughly, wholeheartedly, because it's a simple topic, but children tend to make silly mistakes and blunders and they huffle in the exams. So you're not supposed to do that, being a smart kid and a student of mine. Okay? So we are going to study today how to represent root 3.5 centimeters on a number. First of all, I'm to narrate all the steps to you so that you're familiar with all the steps. And when I will be doing, then you can recollect and recall that yes, sir told this, so we can do all this. So first I'm telling all the steps verbally. First step would be that we will be making AB 3.5 centimeters long. Then we would be making BC 1 centimeters long. We will take perpendicular bisector of AC and make a semicircle on AC. Then we would make a right angle on B and opening the compass's length till the standing line, that is the perpendicular of that right angle. We will cut an arc on the number line and we'll get the representation of root 3.5 centimeter on the number line. Now, whys and whats and hows will be answered while doing it, while constructing basically. So the first step, of course, would be the construction of a number line, since we're representing root 3.5 centimeter on a real number line. So we'll make this number line and I'm going to be making it like a ray. Why a ray? Because here you can extend it to whatsoever length you want in number of times, but here I want to keep it to 0 itself. So I'm not counting 0 over here. We'll directly start from our AB. Now again, I'm going very slow. I'm repeating, I'm going very slow. If you have any doubts, if you're not able to understand any topic, feel free to put up your doubts in the comment box. If you have any problem in any kind of multiplication or division kind of like basic thing also, then also you can approach me and I'll make a special video for that as well. Okay, you're not supposed to hesitate. So AB's length would be 3.5 centimeters. Now why 3.5 centimeters? Because we are supposed to represent root 3.5 centimeter on a number line. Making it very clear point, if we were supposed to represent root 1.2 on a number line, then we would have taken AB's length as 1.2 centimeters. If we were supposed to make root 9.6 on a number line, we would have taken AB's length as 9.6 centimeters. So the root under root whatever number is there is the measurement which we will take AB's. Now I'll extend my AB to BC. So I'll extend this to point C and BC. Now what about the measurement of BC? BC's measurement, whatsoever type of construction you're doing, either it is root 3.5 centimeters, root 9.6 centimeters, or root 1.2 centimeters, or root 0.5 centimeter also, anything. But BC's measurement would remain the same, that is 1 centimeters. First वाला जो measurement है, हम हमेशा 1 centimeters. So this is 1 centimeters. So BC का length हो जाएगा मेरा 1 centimeters. So repeating it again and again, AB's distance is 3.5 centimeters and BC's distance is 1 centimeter. Now, we are not going to consider AB anywhere. We are only going to consider AC. We will be making a perpendicular bisector for AC. We will be making the semicircle on AC. Everything on AC and nothing on AB. AB was just to show you the determination of whatever root was given to you. Clear? I hope I made myself clear till here. So now we will construct a perpendicular bisector for AC. How do we go about that? See, it is a very, very interesting topic. Construction, at my time it was deleted because of COVID, and still I studied it because it's an interesting and a very exciting chapter. And you get different kinds of constructions, like representing this and that, and showing the steps of construction, and making this degree angle, that degree angle, making perpendicular bisectors, in case these studies question on that. It used to be very, very exciting for me, so therefore I used to do it. And perpendicular bisector construction is one of the best ones, because when you make those arcs up and down, it becomes very chaotic and exciting, that how would the arc come about if I take measurement, this, and so on. So it's basically a fun type activity in construction. So I tell you how to make this perpendicular bisector. So we are making a perpendicular bisector for AC. I'll put my compass at E. Even if I put my compass at C, the step would remain the same. Or let's say I put my compass needle at A. I open the compass's length more than half of AC. Now I am making perpendicular bisector to find out the midpoint of AC. Bisector and intersector mein many children have differences. Many children have doubts. What is the difference between bisection and intersection? So that is a very basic doubt. So I'm consulting those things also in my video, so that even the basic student can refer to them. So basically, bisecting means when we are dividing into two, bisect. Intersecting means when we're just landing on that particular line. Alright? So that's the basic difference between intersecting and bisecting. So when we make a perpendicular bisector, that is perpendicular midpoint we are finding out. So for that, I'll open my more than half. I'll cut arcs up and down from point A, from point C first, and then from point A like this. And then I will join the crosses, and this will be, let's say, my point D. So D is the midpoint of AC. I hope I made myself clear till here. Very much clear, I hope, because I'm going very slow comparatively. So midpoint of AC is D. Now this was the third step, I guess. Fourth step. No, it was the third step. Yeah, first step was to make AB 3.5 centimeter. Second, make BC 1 centimeter. And third was to make a perpendicular bisector for AC, which is D. Now the fourth step is going to be to make a semicircle. Now since I've got the midpoint of AC, I'll keep my compass's needle at D, and then I will make a semicircle over here like this. And then after making the semicircle over here, which is my fourth step, I will complete my fifth step, which is I'll keep my protractor at B, and I'll mark a 90 degree. 90 degree will come somewhere over here. Then you'll take your roller and you'll mark it like this. So this becomes your 90 degree angle. I joined it from here because 90 degree came here. So this, let's say, is point E. So my angle EBC would be a right angle, which is a 90 degree. Now the next and the last step would be keep your compass needle at B and open your pencil to open your compass till E, and then cut an arc over here on the number line like this. So let's say this is my point F. So point F is the representation of root 3.5 centimeters. I hope it was very, very simple. Now again, I'm repeating the whole step. We took AB 3.5 centimeter long. Then I extended AB to BC, which is 1 centimeter long. AC becomes 4.5 centimeter. I took the perpendicular bisector of AC as point D, and I made that midpoint. I made a semicircle on AC by keeping my compass's needle at D. Then I made a right angle at B, which is angle EBC becomes a right angle 90 degree. Then I cut an arc from there at point F, and F becomes my representation of root 3.5 centimeter. I hope it was very, very clear. If you have any doubts regarding any topic in maths and science from classes 6 and 10, again I'm saying feel free to put your doubts in the comment box, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my videos to support me and promote me. Thank you so much, and let's meet again. So bye.